Welcome to the Trade Remedy Electronic Filing System or TREFS filing of extension video tutorial. Login first in TREFS. In the TREFS homepage, click the Go Now button in Filing of Trade Remedy Petition. To file for extension, under Trade Remedy Information, select Extension in the petition type. You will be asked to update your profile information. Click Continue button. You will be redirected to Update Profile Information page. It has two sections, Company Information and Submitter Information. If there is no changes in company information, click Next. If there are also no changes in submitter information, just click Update button. Take note that if there are changes in the submitter information, please contact or email DTI BIS at their contact number and email flashes on the screen. Once profile is updated, you may now be able to file an extension. First is to search the investigation you want to file an extension. Note that searchable investigations are those who have final affirmative finding status. Next, if there are any applicants for the petition, if yes, enter or select any applicants. Otherwise, select No. Once done filling out the required fields, click Next button, but you will also have the option to save the extension temporarily by clicking Save as Draft button. If you will choose to save the extension, you will be redirected to Saved Drafts page. Take note that to view saved extension drafts, go to TREFS Filing menu and select Saved Drafts to redirect to Saved Drafts page. To edit the extension, scroll right and under Commands column, click the Edit button. Once Edit button is clicked, you will be redirected to Petition for Extension Draft page, and you may now edit the Trade Remedy Information form. Once done editing, you have the option to save again the extension by clicking the Save button or proceed to the next step by clicking the Next button. If you choose to click Next button after filling out the Trade Remedy Information form, you will be redirected to Next step, wherein you will see the title of the petition and the Documentation Technical Requirements section. We have two versions of uploads, confidential and non-confidential. If you choose to upload files as confidential version, go to Confidential Version Uploads tab, otherwise go to Non-Confidential Version Uploads tab. Before uploading the files, please read and follow the note or guide upon uploading the documents. To upload files, just click Browse button and select the file you want to upload. Repeat this step if you want to add another file. Please take note also the accepted file types to be uploaded. If you selected the wrong file, you can delete it by clicking the Delete button. Once done uploading files, you have the option to save it by clicking the Save and Exit button. This will redirect you again to Saved Drafts page. This time, you can edit or update not only the Trade Remedy Information form, but also you can re-upload or add other documents to the extension you have saved. After filling out the Trade Remedy Information form and uploaded the files in the Documentation Technical Requirements section, you have the option to review the extension. Click the Review button. In the Review Petition for Extension page, you can review the extension to be submitted. Take note that fields are editable, so you can make changes to the information you have provided before submitting the petition. Once done, click the Next button to go back to the title and the Documentation Technical Requirements section. If you are ready to submit the extension, click the Submit Petition button. A submission confirmation alert will pop up. Click Yes, I'm sure button if it is confirmed that you are submitting the petition, otherwise, click No, I'm not button. After submitting the extension, a confirmation TREFS receipt will be issued and you will also receive a confirmation email. To print the receipt, click the Print button. Once done printing, click the Exit button. You can now view the extension you have submitted in the Petition Information table. The initial status of the extension will be submitted. To view the extension details, click the View button. You will be redirected to Petition for Extension Details page, where you can see the information of the extension you have filed as well as the documents you have uploaded. Extension has different statuses. Submitted is the first status after submitting the extension. Forwarded to Tariff Commission for formal investigation, the department will issue a letter signed by the Secretary endorsing the petition for extension to the Tariff Commission for formal investigation. Click the View button to see the details of the petition for extension. Under Petition or Updates Comments, you will see the issued letter signed by the Secretary endorsing the petition for extension to the Tariff Commission for formal investigation. Final affirmative findings. The Department will furnish the applicants with a copy of the letter and the Department Administrative Order, DAO, of the final affirmative findings on the investigation of the subject case relevant to the petition for extension. Click the View button to see the details of the investigation. Final negative findings. The Department will furnish the applicants with a copy of the letter and the Department Administrative Order, DAO, of the final negative findings on the investigation of the subject case relevant to the petition for extension. Click the View button to see the details of the investigation. Terminated. The Department will furnish the applicants with a copy of the letter and the Department Administrative Order, DAO, of the termination of the final investigation of the subject case relevant to the petition for extension. Click the View button to see the details of the investigation. Thank you. For reference, you can use the TREFS Petitioner Manual as your guide.